In this video we are going to see how we can use our newly introduced feature InLinks to optimize AI generated content for search engines. So we're starting by adding a website. You can add your own website or any other website on the internet. So I will be adding Katteb.com, and you can add any number of websites you want. You can add up to 100 websites, so feel free to do so. So I'm adding HubSpot.com and I'm adding Forbes.com. So once you're done, click on New Document, click on Generate Content button here. So let's try to write anything. Once you have your AI generated content, you can highlight any keyword or phrase inside your content. So let's try something like computing power, and click on InLinks button. Immediately this sidebar will appear. You can select up to 3 websites. You can select 1 or 2 or 3, whatever you want. So we are going to choose Forbes and HubSpot. Then you can click search. In seconds you will be given a list of AI suggested internal links to use inside your content. So basically these links are from Forbes and these are from HubSpot. So you can have a look on the written description, on the title. Once you are satisfied and ready to select one, just click on it, and that's it. Your internal link will be inserted on your highlighted keyword.